Step into the world of alternative medicine, where healing meets nature in a symphony of holistic wellness. Unlike pharmaceuticals, alternative remedies offer natural healing with minimal risk of overdosing in organic ingredients that nurture your body's innate ability to heal. And guess what? There's an alternative for almost every ailment, including yeast infections. Yeast infections may be more common in women, but they can affect anyone. Thriving in moist, dark environments, these fungal invaders often target the vagina, especially in situations of tight clothing, stress, hormonal imbalances, or antibiotic treatments. But fear not! Herbal remedies are here to save the day. Coconut oil. This powerhouse remedy contains lauric acid, which blasts candida yeast cells into oblivion. Plus, its omega-3 fatty acids promote overall health and reduce inflammation. Just a couple of tablespoons a day can work wonders. Pau d'Arco bark. Extracted from the bark of the Pau d'Arco tree in South America, this potent herbal remedy boasts antifungal properties that thrive in the rainforest's humid climate. Say goodbye to mold and mildew with its antibacterial arsenal. Wild Mediterranean oregano oil. Harnessing the power of crushed wild oregano, this oil swiftly enters your bloodstream to combat yeast. With its high carvacrol content, it's a formidable foe against fungal invaders. Malic acid. Derived from apple cider vinegar, malic acid offers a tangy twist to your antifungal regimen. Just a teaspoon in carrot juice twice a day keeps yeast at bay. The realm of yeast infection herbal therapies is vast and varied, but one thing's for sure, organic is the way to go for a naturally healthier you. Say goodbye to invasive pharmaceuticals and hello to the healing touch of Mother Nature. Subscribe now for more holistic wellness.